Get ready to question everything you thought you knew about the animal kingdom. Did you know that ravens are so intelligent they've been observed holding funerals for their dead, gathering around and appearing to mourn? It's a truly puzzling display of animal empathy. And if that wasn't weird enough, consider the starfish. When it's time to eat, this amazing creature actually pushes its own stomach out of its mouth onto its prey and then digests it externally before pulling its stomach back inside. From complex emotions to bizarre dining habits, the animal world is packed with hidden wonders. Subscribe for more mind bending animal facts.